You know, I've been doing YouTube a long time, man. And I've gone to blows with the best of them. Right? Now, unfortunately, you can go have some longevity of being cool, calm, and collected, and being peaceful in these YouTube streets. Sometimes somebody will call you out if they want that smoke. Hey, ain't no scripts, ain't no filters. Let's get into it, man.
Welcome to Gladiator School.
Real quick before we get into the video, if you haven't already, new to the channel, please consider hitting that subscribe, like button on the way in, notification bell, man. All that is very free for you to do. And if you like this type of content or some of the videos that I put out lately, hey, consider hyping us up a little bit. It helps us out around here, man. First and foremost, there was a comment and that I read. Just let y'all know, I read the comments. I don't always respond, man. It's just a lot of times, you know, I get a lot of hate and shit, you know, because, you know, I'm me. But they said in the intro, could you please take out that, I'm working on it. I'm going to work on that, okay? Because I don't want you guys to not ever want to watch Off the Yard because this is the best prison channel on YouTube. I got to say it. And the reason I got to say it is because somebody called me out. Somebody called me out, man. That's crazy. It's been a long time, bro. And I had to dust off the gloves and get the Rocky music on and dun 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 dun, right? And it's unfortunate. And I'm gonna explain why it's unfortunate. But first, let's take a peek at what's going on, why I'm making this video, and what my plans are. Hey, let's just check it out.
Chow! Little Amanda! I got a good life tonight. I'm gonna battle in the next couple of days. It's gonna be a straight up battle. I'm gonna battle the YouTube channel Dubs, and I'm gonna battle the YouTube channel Off the Yard. Big Lance Off the Yard, both of them. They don't know about it, but they called me out indirectly. And I'm gonna show up and represent. Splinter, what happened? Dubs. Now I told you guys, always go peep game on my contemporaries. There's like about 5 or 6 YouTube channels in the prison genre. Started their channels same time as I did, give or take. So I peep in on them from time to time.
So the first part of this clip is my man Splinter from, hold on a second, let me just do it for you. What is up? Welcome to my channel, Prison POV. My man Splinter from Prison POV, man. Apparently, he's decided that Dubs and myself have called him out. I didn't know I called him out. But he decided that I've called him out because he goes on to talk about how he follows his contemporaries and that he watches their channels and that he saw that Dubs made a video, my worst selling. And then he said a couple days later, which it wasn't a couple days later, it was about 3 weeks later, if I'm not mistaken. I might be wrong, but I don't think I am. That I made a video called My Worst Selling. So I guess he took that as a call out. Okay. All right. Now, let me explain to you guys and the Splinter from Prison POV. I myself do the same. I follow a couple channels that are in my range, subscriber count, view count, all the things. I do all the things, right? And if I see one of them make a video that does well, I will make a video about that topic. It's called following an algorithm. That's what that is. Is it always a very original process? No, it's not. But we are, as content creators, we have to make videos consistently. We're in a genre where people like to hear our stories. I've been doing this for 7 years. I got stories, but you start to get low on the stories. So you have to go search for ideas. And that's one way I do it. So you can say, oh, well, you guys are you're a copycat. Is it? Maybe. But the video's doing well. And I'm proud of the video. I'm proud of the production. I'm proud of the numbers I got on it. I'm proud of that because I'm proud of the work I put into it. Now, I'm going to say this. I am seeing and viewing this as friendly fire. I hope it is. I watch 3 prison channels. 3. I watch myself. Well, I watch myself because I'm the GOAT. Okay, what anybody says or thinks, I'm the GOAT. I feel like I'm the best storyteller on YouTube. And I feel like that because I believe in myself. It's not a cocky, arrogant thing. I want to manifest that into the world. I watch my boy Jay Williams. Great storyteller from Virginia. Talks about places I've been. I've known Jay for years. We're friends. And I watch Prison POV. If I was to say, for real, one of my favorite channels in the prison genre, it's Splinter. I catch his daily uploads. I've watched almost every video. I can prove it. I'll go scroll down his watch list and videotape it for you. It's all red lines when I watch it. I like Splinter. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of this dude. And honestly, I'm humble, man. It makes me feel good that he watches my content as well. I hope he enjoys some of it as I enjoy his. But when it comes to who I think is better, I mean, I love you, Splinter. But you ain't Lance, dog. Challenge accepted, motherfucker. Challenge accepted. Now, before we go any further, I have no beef with Splinter. I don't think we're beefing. I think this is a friendly fire thing, but I think it's fun. And I think it's going to be, I hope, competitive. You know? Let's see what the numbers do. Let's see what the Gladiator gang and the Point of View crew are really made of. Let's run them up. Let's run them up. Splinter, man. Just from me to you, there's no bad blood at all, bro. I love your channel. Like I said, I'm a fan. I love your stories. I can't watch prison videos all the way through. You're a very entertaining, great storyteller. And I wish you all the best with your channel and your journey in your life. And I'm all for a little bit of competition. So, I remember I reached out to Splinter on Instagram. I no longer have Instagram. So, I don't even know if he responded. But I wanted to do a West Coast, East Coast thing. I thought it would be a cool thing to do. Comparison. I don't even know if he responded, man. But, like I said, I love Splinter to death. But it's on, cuz. It's on. You know, let's get it going. Last but not least, man, if you watch the video all the way through and you hit that like, listen, you a real one. And, you know, I love each and every one of y'all. A lot of y'all have been talking about the merch. This is it right here, man. This is the ideas that we've been coming up with. We're working on getting it on either Spring or another platform. All the things, the Off the Yard. We got the Off the Yard OG stamp. Like, we got a lot of cool shit coming, man. Like, we really are proud of it. And when it drops, you guys will be the first to know. And let's us, Gladiator Gang, right? The real OGs of this prison shit. Let's show the world just how much of a collective we really are, man. And let's run these views up. And if you haven't already, go over there and check out Splinter from Prison POV, man. I'll be honest, I feel like he deserves way more subscribers than he has. And I'd like to see him blow up, man, because like I said, I'm a fan and you know, it's all love from us over here at Off the Yard. We rain on positivity over here. Nothing negative, right? Whenever you pursue negativity, I promise it will get within your reach and it will just engulf and envelop your life, man. So if you're going through something negative today, man, brush that shit off. Get on a positive mindset and keep your eye out for that merch, baby. We're working on it. Much love to the Gladiator Gang and salute to all you A1s from day one, man, because ain't no scripts and ain't no filters, baby. Hard-earned living truth around here, baby. And Splinter's about to find out. Love y'all, man. That's all I got.